Welcome to Learn English Now.
I like tea, but I don't like coffee. I like tea, but I don't like coffee. He is rich, but he is humble. He is rich, but he is humble. She tried hard, but she failed. She tried hard, but she failed. I was tired, but I kept working. I was tired, but I kept working. It is small, but very useful. It is small, but very useful. I called him, but he didn't answer. I called him, but he didn't answer. The movie was long but interesting. The movie was long but interesting. I want to go, but I have no time. I want to go, but I have no time. He is fast, but careless. He is fast, but careless. She is shy, but very kind. She is shy, but very kind. The phone is old, but it works well. The phone is old, but it works well. I studied a lot, but I'm still nervous. I studied a lot, but I'm still nervous. It was raining, but we went out. It was raining, but we went out. I like him, but I don't trust him. I like him, but I don't trust him. The dress is cheap, but beautiful. The dress is cheap, but beautiful. He apologized, but I was still angry. He apologized, but I was still angry. I woke up early but missed the bus. I woke up early but missed the bus. She is busy, but she helped me. She is busy, but she helped me. The food was spicy but tasty. The food was spicy but tasty. I know the answer, but I forgot it. I know the answer, but I forgot it. He looks young, but he is old. He looks young, but he is old. I wanted to sleep, but I had work. I wanted to sleep, but I had work. She smiled, but said nothing. She smiled, but said nothing. It's expensive, but worth it. It's expensive, but worth it. I like cricket, but I don't play it. I like cricket, but I don't play it. He promised, but didn't come. He promised, but didn't come. The road was long, but safe. The road was long, but safe. I tried calling, but the network was bad. I tried calling, but the network was bad. She was scared, but she spoke. She was scared, but she spoke. I was hungry, but there was no food. I was hungry, but there was no food. He is strict, but fair. He is strict, but fair. I wanted to help, but I was late. I wanted to help, but I was late. The exam was easy but tricky. The exam was easy but tricky. She is quiet but smart. She is quiet but smart. I heard the news but didn't believe it. I heard the news but didn't believe it. The bag is heavy but strong. The bag is heavy but strong. I like winter but not the cold. I like winter but not the cold. He is late, but he called. He is late, but he called. I planned well, but things changed. I planned well, but things changed. She wanted to cry, but she smiled. She wanted to cry, but she smiled. I know him, but not well. I know him, but not well. The room is dark, but clean. The room is dark, but clean. I was angry, but I stayed calm. I was angry, but I stayed calm. He worked hard but earned little. He worked hard but earned little. The idea is simple, but effective. The idea is simple, but effective. I wanted to buy it, but I had no money. I wanted to buy it, but I had no money. She is weak, but brave. She is weak, but brave. I woke up late, but reached on time. I woke up late, but reached on time. He is poor but honest. He is poor but honest. I agree with you, but I have one doubt. I agree with you, but I have one doubt.